Hello, beautiful people. So, I just wanted to come here and let you know that I quit. Not YouTube, but I'm quitting the challenge. And we need to talk about it. तो देखो इस दुनिया में ना दो टाइप के लोग होते हैं. एक वो होते हैं जो डिसाइड करते हैं दैट दे आर गोइंग टू डू समथिंग एंड देन दे स्टार्ट डूइंग इट, और कुछ इश्यूज आते हैं, कुछ डिस्कम्फर्ट आती है और वो छोड़ देते हैं. और दूसरे टाइप के लोग वो होते हैं जो डिसाइड करते हैं कि वो कुछ करने वाले हैं, वो बस ठान लेते हैं. और चाहे आंधी आए, तूफान आए, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, दे मेक श्योर दैट दे finish the commitment that they have made to themselves or to someone else. And this video is for people जो second category में होता fit आते हैं. Believe it or not, I also used to fit in the second category. मैं भी वही थी जो अगर कुछ ठान लिया तो मैं करके ही रहती थी. I would not let anything, anyone come in the way of me fulfilling my commitment. तो अगर मैं वैसी थी, तो अब क्या हुआ कि आई एम रेडी टू क्विट समथिंग दैट आई हैव मेड सो पब्लिकली, दैट आई हैव सो पब्लिकली अनाउंस दैट आई एम गोइंग टू डू. द थिंग इज कि कुछ साल पहले मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि ये जो मेरी आदत थी ना, दिस दिस आदत तो नहीं बोलूँगी, दिस द वे दैट आई वाज कि मैंने कुछ कमिट किया तो मुझे उसको ख़त्म ही करना है. दैट वाज एक्चुअली स्टेमिंग फ्रॉम अ प्लेस ऑफ ईगो एंड फ्रॉम अ प्लेस ऑफ जिद कि अगर मैंने बोल दिया है तो मुझे करना ही है, चाहे भगवान आके मुझे बोले कि नहीं मत करो, दिस इज नॉट गुड फॉर यू. इफ आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू कमिट टू समथिंग, आई वुड एंड अप डूइंग इट. And I think most people would think that that it's a good thing that if you commit to something that you must finish it. But what gets lost in translation according to me is that आप जब किसी चीज़ को commit करते हो ना, तो उसका एक intent होता है. There is an intent to the commitment and then there is the commitment. What we invariably end up doing is remembering the commitment and forgetting the intent. For example, मैंने एक बार एक कमिटमेंट की थी कि मैं 100 days वर्कआउट करूँगी, and I ended up completing it. But I pushed myself through the days of extreme pain, through the days of, the days that I was on my period, through the days of my body telling me that it needed rest. I completed that challenge because I had set out to do it, but I was so focused on the challenge that I forgot कि उस challenge का intent था consistency, और उस challenge का intent था to make my body fit. But if I'm pushing my body and forcing my body to get up and do something while it's asking me that it needs rest and while it's telling me that it's in pain, am I really doing something that is in alignment with the intent of the challenge? जैसे मैं एक वीडियो देख रही थी कुछ दिन पहले of this girl who said that she came back home from work at 10 o'clock and then she went and she completed her gym and she's so proud of herself. और मैं सोच रही थी कि what kind of world have we created where we think that this is discipline and we think that this is okay? मतलब आप जिम अपनी बॉडी के लिए जाते हो, राइट, लाइक टू मेक योर बॉडी फिट, एंड ऑफ कोर्स द बाय प्रोडक्ट इज दैट इट हेल्प्स विद योर मेंटल हेल्थ. बट आप 10 बजे आए हो अपने काम से, आप थके हुए हो, योर बॉडी इज आस्किंग for a break, your body needs rest, but you're pushing yourself because we have internalized the idea that if we've committed to something, we need to fulfill it, forgetting the fact that वो commitment का कोई intent था. It was made to achieve something. It was not in isolation. It was not कि मैं बस gym जाऊँगी. मैं gym जाऊँगी because I understand that it helps me with my body. But if on certain days it's not helping me with my body, I'm going to choose to take rest, and it's not going to affect the way that I view myself. मैं बोल रही थी ना कि मैं जिद करके चीज़ें ख़त्म करती थी because the accomplishment of that act was a reflection of me. I had internalized the accomplishment of that as me being good, and if and which meant that if I'm unable to complete it, then it reflects badly on me. It would make me question myself, and it would make me not respect myself enough. Like I said, there are two types of people. तो जो वो लोग हैं जो commit करते हैं और कभी ख़त्म नहीं करते, this is not for them. you have a different issue, this is something else that you need to figure out. But for people who attach their ego and attach their worth or zid or dheet ban ke khatam karte hain because they've committed to it, while forgetting the fact that there is an intent to the challenge that we need to look into. And so the intent of this challenge that I had set out to do, of posting for 30 days, was not to become consistent. Consistency issue nahi tha. It was for me to get comfortable with this space. It was for me to get comfortable with sitting. It was for me to get comfortable with saying something, because I I was just so fixated on it being really, really good and it being perfect that I wanted to make sure that I come and I just say something, and I that helps me kind of reduce those expectations that I have with myself, or like getting comfortable with making mistakes, or getting comfortable with putting myself out there and letting people see me and see me goof up, and being just okay with myself showing up in my most authentic, natural way without trying to force something as an outcome. And of course, the one thing that was very important was that I wanted to get better at articulation. It's getting there. The second part is definitely getting there. I don't think that I figured that out, but the rest of it, that I have accomplished so far. 10 दिन में हर रोज यहाँ पे आके बैठने में आई हैव बिकम वेरी कंफर्टेबल. मुझे झिझक नहीं होती. Clearly I've become comfortable with saying whatever I want, because if you go back and watch some of the videos, मैंने कुछ भी बोला है. So I've become comfortable with making mistakes. I've become comfortable with not setting too high standards for myself and just showing up. The thing is कि अब क्या हो रहा है कि I've accomplished whatever I was set out to do. But what is happening that with this challenge is that it's not helping me grow anymore. जैसे कुछ कुछ दिनों में ना मैंने कुछ कुछ, like I came and I made the video, and after a few hours I would realize कि यार मैं तो ये भी बोल सकती थी, और मैं वो भी बोल सकती थी, और मैं तो ऐसे भी बोल सकती थी, and it would have been a little more impactful, or it would have made a lot more sense. And I think that I am unable to do that because I have very less prep time. मतलब 24 hours में coming up with a topic and then making sense of it and then find something to say about it, I was not doing the best job. And now I've reached a point where I want to get better at the craft. I want to get better at the structure that I create. I want to get better at the way that I explain it. I want to spend time coming up with examples and analogies, and other things that I can add to the video so that it is impactful. I want to get better at the craft now. I want to get better at the skill now. And that requires me to take a little time between two videos to do the prep that I'm unable to do with this challenge. And so I've decided that now is a good time to quit. And I'm really proud of myself. I've come a very, very long way, because जो मेरे younger version होता ना, वो ये शायद ही कभी कर पाती, क्योंकि उसके दिमाग में a commitment is ego, right? अगर मैंने कुछ publicly claim किया है and I don't end up doing it, people are not going to respect me. People will think less of me. How can I do this? People will not trust me. It'll question my credibility. If I'm trying to be a coach and I'm telling people in some way or the other that I have lived a life and maybe you can learn from it, how can I publicly say that I have so-called failed? But I've come a long way where I realized that the intent is important, and not to attach yourself too much to a challenge or get too attached to an idea of who you need to be. I want to do things that are more in alignment with myself. So this is more in alignment. I did what I had set out to do, and now I want to get better. And this process is a hindrance, and it's not conducive for what I want to create. So yeah. Also, I do want to say, कल मेरे को ये thought आया था कि I was looking at my videos and they're not all that great. I mean, they're okay, they're not bad. And I realized that one of the reasons why I delayed the whole process of showing up here on YouTube and creating these videos is because in my head, I had created an idea of who I was. I had an idea that I'm really, really, really good. And I was scared to show up and see what actually comes out and see how big the gap is. मतलब मेरे imagination में और reality में कितना gap है, that was scary. Because of course, if you've not created something in your head, you can be the best YouTuber, the best um, author, the best speaker. You can be the best in your imagination, but what is the reality and how far is your imagination from reality? That is quite scary. uh, so it's was a good reality check, but I know that it's not something that I can't achieve. Like, the idea that I had in my head about who I was is not unachievable. It's not something that I cannot build towards and grow towards, and that's what I plan to do. If you all are stopping yourselves from doing something and you don't know why you're unable to move past the procrastination, it might be because of this fear. But it's okay. We're all beginners, we all start somewhere. I want to share this growth journey also with you while I share the things that I really want to talk about, because I want everyone to see that this is a gradual process. Everyone starts from somewhere. Everybody has their insecurities. Everybody has something that they're working through. They still decide to show up. And if you have those, not if, I'm sure you have those, show up despite them. Show up regardless of that. And go out there and achieve your dreams. So I'm not going to see you tomorrow, but I will come back with something better. I want to create a structure to what I want to say. I don't want to just randomly pick up topics. I want to create like series where if someone's really truly invested and is connected with me, they are learning with each and every video the way that I learned, or everything that I've learned. I want to create it in a way where it is chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, where you're like slowly understanding yourself, your mind, your body, the world, everything around you, and you can start making these changes. So I don't want it to be all over the place. I want it to be a lot more concrete. I want to work on that. I want to work on my scripting. I want to work on my delivery. I want to work on making these videos really impactful, uh, and enjoy myself in the process. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon.